What's up, guys? Shev here from Shevincredible Music and Entertainment. And in this video, guys, I'm giving away a free music. Yes, you heard that right. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to claim or how to download your free music. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, I'm on Google. And right now I'm just gonna make a quick search. So you just search for my name, Shev Incredible, and just click enter. And as you can see, this is my Google search result. Okay, so as you can see, you guys can also like follow me on Spotify and so on and so forth. This is my Spotify, and this is my website. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you can download your free music that we're giving away to you guys. Okay, and you guys have to act fast because this is for a limited time only. Okay, because this is one of our newest track. So this deal is gonna be gone in a couple of days. Okay, so now's your chance to download our free music that we're giving away before the time have expired. Okay, all right, so as you can see, I'm on my website right here. I'm at shevincredible.com, and if you don't want to Google search, you can just type shevincredible.com up here in your browser and it should take you to this website. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at shevincredible.com. This is my website. All right, we selling products, and this is my bio. If you want to learn more about me, you just click right here, and you can read more about me. You can learn more about me. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff we selling. You know what I mean? And these are our artist deals. Like these are the product that sells the most on shevincredible.com. Okay, and as you can see, you can just click it, learn more about it, add it to cart, and so on and so forth. You can check out, and so on and so forth. But we're not here for this. If you want, sneakers or whatever at, feel free to grab it. Okay, all right, so if I scroll down, this is where you're gonna claim your free track. Okay, and this is only for a limited time, guys, so you guys have to act fast if you want to get this free track. Okay, this deal will be over in a couple of days. Okay, so we only giving you like 48 hours, or just say for example the max is 5 days. Okay, 5 business days before. um, Otherwise, if you wait, excuse me, hopefully till 5 day pass, you will no longer be able to download this free music that we're giving away to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, in order for you to get it, you come right here and you just put your name. I'm gonna put my name, and you put your email. Okay, please double check your email, make sure your email is correct, because that's where we're gonna send out your music to. Okay, so this email is what we're gonna use to basically send you that free download track. Okay, so immediately after you click yes, send me my free download, as you click it, it's gonna take you here and it's gonna congratulate you that your download is on its way. um, and this is the information, okay, that it provide to you just in case you don't get your download, which you will get your download immediately after you click that button. But say for example you want to contact us for something else, all you have to do, just click here It will take you to contact us page, and you can put your first name, your last name, and you can write a message of what you want to send us. Okay, and we will receive that as well, and we will, adjust whatever um, the message that you send. We will basically adjust whatever you submit. Excuse me, hopefully. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching. So as you can see right now, as you submit that, as you click yes I need, send me that free download track, excuse me, hopefully it should be in your email. So what you need to do is basically check your email. You're gonna see an email said the Shevincredible team, which my team put this together for you guys, so you guys can download it for free. And you would basically just click it and click download, and yeah, you basically have your track, and you can download you when you download it, excuse me, hopefully you can play it on your computer, your smartphone, your tablet, mp3 player, whatever you want to play it on. You can just play it on there, only for a limited time, guys. I cannot give away this track for more than 5 days, because this track is one of our newest track, and I'm just giving back to you guys, to everyone that buy my track, to everyone that stream my track and Spotify, excuse me, hopefully stream my track and Spotify, Pandora, and all those music platform. This is just my way to give back to you guys. So yeah, just download the track, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you want to follow me on. As you can see, if I go back right here, we got, you can feel free to look through the website. You can follow me on Spotify, listen to on Amazon Music. You can follow me there. You can follow me on my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on Apple Music. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. My new album is coming, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, excuse me, hopefully enjoy your free track. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Sometimes you don't have a choice. Have to work every night. A lot of people have to do all the other things them no like. We know life is not a game. We know that life is a fight. And to make it to the top, a lot of time sacrifice. We hustle night and the day, make a lot of money.